Hey everyone, it's Dorothy from crazyforcrust.com and welcome to my kitchen. Are you looking for a brand new cookie recipe that'll be perfect for your holiday platters? Well, this is the one for you. This cookie is a pecan pie cookie, and I originally made these back in 2010 and I've been making them ever since. They're a brown sugar cookie that's filled with a pecan pie mixture and they're absolutely delicious. They taste like pecan pie in cookie form and everybody who tastes them loves them. They're perfect for Christmas or your holiday platters or any sort of party or potluck that you're going to, or a cookie exchange even. All right, to make these pecan pie cookies, all you have to do is whip up a brown sugar cookie dough. Start with butter and brown sugar and mix that together. Then add 1 egg and some vanilla. Mix it until it's smooth. I love using a hand mixer with this recipe, but you could definitely do it by hand if you don't have a mixer, or even use a stand mixer. Then add baking soda and salt and all-purpose flour. Mix that together until you get a nice thick cookie dough. Then, using a cookie scoop, if you have one, I absolutely love using those because it makes uniform sized cookies. Scoop out 2 tablespoon balls of dough and place them on your cookie sheet. I like to space them out a little bit. They're basically thumbprint cookies. Now to make a thumbprint cookie, you just need to poke a little bit of a hole in the top of your cookie dough ball before it bakes. So you can either use the back of a wooden spoon, I like to use that, or you can use your finger, or you can use your knuckle, whatever works best for you. And then you're gonna mix up the pecan pie filling. This is a super easy pecan pie filling. It doesn't have corn syrup or eggs or any of that. Quick tip, when you're chopping pecans for these pecan pie cookies, make sure to chop them small, like smaller than bite size, because those thumbprints aren't super big, and if you have really large chunks of pecans, they're just not gonna fit. Brown sugar with chopped pecans, vanilla, and heavy cream or milk. If you have heavy whipping cream, you're going to use about 3 to 4 tablespoons. If you're just using milk, you'll probably only use about 2 tablespoons. You don't want it too wet. You want it to just incorporate with the brown sugar and the pecans to make a thick mixture. And then fill each cookie with a little bit of that pecan pie mixture. Add a teaspoon or 2 to the center of each cookie. Then bake at 350 for about 10 minutes until they're just slightly browned. Once they cool slightly, you can take them off the cookie sheet and they're delicious. They're soft and chewy and have that brown sugar flavor and that flavor of pecan pie. I absolutely love these cookies. Thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoy these cookies. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and eat something sweet today.